Okay, here's a money saving tip. I have a brand new lock. Well, it's probably, I don't know, 2 months old. And it went bad up in the hospital. What went bad is the motor. All right, I don't know anything about the motor, but so you find a previously corroded one that you have hanging around. You pop it from there and you plug it in over here. I mean, there's a plug. See? Got a little plug. See that little plug? They just plug in and slip in. Now, the key to taking it apart is you've got to put the end on. If you don't, it'll fall apart like this. I mean, it still can be salvaged, right? Because you like that end. That's a short end. This is a long barrel end. But if you put the latch in, it'll all stay together. Swap motors, and you got yourself a brand new shining baby 60. These are about 68 bucks is what I pay for them.
After COVID
And
price,
this was brand new anyway,
130.
so, you know, you're just swapping out a faulty motor, and I can see what's going on. I can slide that with my hand. So the gear is just junk from the factory. Moment of truth. Did it work? Oh, I heard that sound. Oh, it works. There, that just saved me 65 bucks. Because if you try to
It's really 130 bucks after
through
COVID.
Answer, that is just major hassle. You don't want to do that, drive down there, all that stuff. So just fix them in the field. And I'll save this head for later because sometimes I need a short one. And I'll pitch this. There's really nothing left of this other than this little cover. Sometimes you need that black cover. It'll pop off the screws there underneath that. So, you know, maybe I'll just throw it in the box with the rest of them and continue my hoarding experience.
Pay close attention. This lubricant's very important. It's electronic.
See this little
lubricant.
fitting, that's a star. Boy, that out of focus. Anyway, it's a star, but it has a
This
safety
lubricant
hole.
is great for
I
electronic
left you them
locks.
wrenches.
You're going to see where I use it
Goes on the
and how to
outside
save
right
all
here.
these locks from going bad.
And if I can get it in there, gotta be real gentle with it, by the way. Oh, there it is. Yeah, unscrew it. Couldn't take any longer. There's the batteries. And then spray that lubricant, you know, on that surface there and a little bit inside here, just a little bit, and put it on both ends of the batteries. Surgery on these regulator locks. So, brand new locks, but they're motor compartment, which is kind of nice. They just clip in. So I have tons of old garbage ones that have corroded or have taken out, but the motor is perfect. So all you do is you slip back in a new motor, or, you know, a motor from another one. And we've got functionality again. I don't know if you know about this stuff, but this is CRC, and it's for electronics. And I use that on those motors when I put them back together inside here. And let's just get one of these. I lubricate the motor with that. And mammy, I mean, this is a used one. I mean, I probably could have just lubricated this one and put it back in and made it work. But, you know, I've got all these other ones. I got boxes of these things. So, anyway, this lubricant is spectacular. I put it on the contacts of battery, you know, compartments and everything when I replace batteries.
Please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel.